I'm Sophia Villalba, your community reporter in Cambria, where firefighters are actively working to prepare for any future floods and fires. I spoke with the fire chief about how efforts have been going and what he wants you to know. Cambria residents are familiar with storms.
When the wind's blowing and the ground is moist, we know that their force is lethal.
In February of last year, a strong storm ripped through the town, toppling some Monterey pines on top of Pine Ridge Drive and Ellis Avenue.
One landed on top of the piano teacher's car. Another toppled on top of a neighbor's house. In addition to that, the power lines went down in the neighboring area.
Neighbor Joseph Ryan tells me the home took several months to rebuild.
The hotel stay was immediately covered as well. Their ongoing, cost of living was covered, as well as the repairs.
I told you a while back about ongoing efforts by the Cambria Fire Department to prepare for future emergencies, so I wanted to check in on how things like training and the fire fuel reduction program are going. Fire Chief Michael Berkey tells me swift water rescue training and ocean rescue training takes place yearly.
During the windstorms, after the windstorms, we're always responding 24/7 to try and get those. If it's an immediate emergency, we're going to take care of that.
Chief Berkey tells me while they staff up ahead of strong winds or major storms, everyone needs to be prepared.
Preparation needs to start now, so when the emergency happens, it's too late.
Chief Berkey says they also closely monitor the riverbed that flooded during the 2023 winter storms.
Mother Nature kind of took care of it for us. With the floods that came through, they really kind of opened up a lot of the passageways that haven't been utilized in quite some time.
For Ryan, he tells me previous storms have caused him to be extra cautious.
Choosing to sleep in a different bedroom, that sort of thing.
And he's always on alert.
Yes, every time I leave the house, choosing, wisely to keep an eye and ear out for these sort of things.
If you want to find out what evacuation zone you are in, you can look for this story on KSBY.com. In Cambria, Sophia Villalba, KSBY News.